Friends, Galaxy A71 comes with Android 10.0, One UI 2 and powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 processor with octa-core 2.2 GHz with GPU Adreno 618. Whereas Samsung Galaxy M51 runs Android 10 and powered by Snapdragon 730G processor with octa-core 2.3 GHz and GPU Adreno 618. If we see the display of this device, you can find 6.7 inches screen size with Super AMOLED display that comes with resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels with 393 ppi pixels density and also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 screen protection. Whereas Samsung Galaxy M51 is 6.7 inches device with Super AMOLED Plus display having resolution 2340 by 1080 pixels with 385 ppi pixels density and comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 screen protection with plastic back and plastic frame. Talking about the internal memory, then Samsung Galaxy A71 is available in two variants. One is 128GB with 6GB RAM and the other variant is with 128GB with 8GB RAM. That also supports microSD up to 1TB with dedicated slot. Friends, as far as concerned about colors for this device, then it is produced in Prism, Crush Black, Silver, Blue and Pink colors. Moving on to Samsung Galaxy M51, it is available in 128GB of primary storage with 6 or 8GB RAM. This phone also supports micro SD-XC. Friends, as far as concerned about the colors for this device, then it is produced in Celestial Black and Electric Blue colors. If we talk about the dimension of Samsung Galaxy A71, it measures 163.6 by 76 by 7.7 mm of height, width, thickness and 179 grams of weight with dual nano SIM option. Whereas Samsung Galaxy M51 measures 163.9 by 76.3 by 9.5 mm of height, width, thickness and 213 grams of weight with dual nano SIM option. About the camera, then Galaxy A71 comes with quad camera like 64, 12, 12 and 5 megapixels with 1.8, 2.2, 2.4 and 2.2 aperture, wide and ultra wide with depth sensor. It shoots out videos of 2160p at 30 frames per second, 1080p at 30 or 240 frames per second and also equipped with 32 megapixels with 2.2 aperture with wide angle HDR secondary camera recording of 1080p at 30 frames per second. Moving on to primary camera, then Samsung Galaxy M51 comes with quad camera setup that is 64, 12, 5 and 5 megapixels with 1.8, 2.2, 2.4, 2.4 apertures respectively, like with wide angle, ultra wide, macro and depth sensor. It shoots out 4K and full HD videos at 30 frames per second and full HD at 120 frames per second also. Friends, if you are a selfie lover, then a massive 32 megapixels wide angle camera is available in this device with 2.0 aperture that can record full HD videos at 30 frames per second. Friends, in Samsung Galaxy A71 you can find under display optical fingerprint scanner with gyro, compass, accelerometer and proximity sensors. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth, NFC, GPS, FM radio, Type-C reversible connector, USB on the go, fast battery charging with 25 watt. This phone is powered by non-removable 4500 mAh battery as well. Whereas in Samsung Galaxy M51 you can find side-mounted fingerprint sensor with some more sensors like compass, accelerometer, gyroscope and proximity. This phone comes with Wi-Fi, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, hotspot, FM radio, Type-C reversible connector, fast charging with 25 watts with the reverse charging also that can give the massive non-removable 7000 mAh battery a big boost. So that was the quick comparison of both the smartphones. You can also check further details in the description below. What do you think about these smartphones? Do let us know in the comments section below. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.